things need to be in alignment. And I see a lot in the world that doesn't feel like it's in alignment now. If I look at the US right now, there's a lack of alignment in values between a healthy size of the population and the leadership, for example. I've worked in a company where I questioned the leadership direction of the company. And whenever you have a sort of a tension in values, there's energy. The compass is going here, but your values are pulling you in another direction. And the question is then, how productive and how aligned and how really on can you be if there's a real disconnect in values? It's about reflecting on the time investments you're making now and understanding and questioning, are they in alignment with my values, or is there conflict there? I like color. These colors are in line with the lifetime management wheel. So you'll see the work purpose pieces in orange, the health pieces, sleep, exercise, food, they're all in green. Relationships, family is in purple, and play, well, it looked like magenta on my computer. It looks like red here, but there's a match. So you can start to build in your system. Your file folders can be in the color that speaks to you, and you can use color throughout the way you're thinking about your commitments in your calendar and however you organize them. So all of a sudden, there's meaning and visual recognition. So calendars become not only a reflection of intention, they become our modern day diaries, right?